fun day today. Got a good visit with Bun Bun. And then there's something I've been wanting to do for a while. As soon as I heard about this. Oh, that's Ruby. Isn't she cute? I've been wanting to do this since I heard about it. So they have a place downtown that's a really good tattoo place. And they have a like gumball machine, and they draw on little tattoos that fit inside the little contain, you know, the little thing. You pop it open, and that's what you get. And I've been wanting to do that for a while just because it's super fun and silly, and so I've just been jokingly referring to it as, let's get dumb tattoos. And I talked to Brian a few times about it since he told me that existed, and we hadn't done anything with it yet. And then today I was hanging out with the Miss Bun, and I said, you know, hey, you want to go get dumb tattoos with me? And she's going, maybe. And then I described to her, and she's all, yes, yes. So she and I were already going to head down there, and then I called Brian just before we got, well, we parked before we went inside, and we called him and asked him if he wanted to go too. So he also got one, and this is the video from that. Oh my goodness, it was so much fun. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time. We're having wonderful spring weather that has been very even, so I'm having a lot less like discomfort from my back. It's been really, really nice, and I hope that you guys are all in a really great place too. So enjoy. What are we doing today?
Dumb tattoos!
We're gonna get dumb tattoos!
Gumball tattoos!
Well, I know that Bunny is. I don't know what those guys are doing. $20 respin if you don't like it. So, nice. Alright.
Just make sure
She has a more time limit than I do, so sorry, what?
just make sure that whenever you get done, just give them us after you look at it so we make sense.
Okay.
Oh!
She might need help. You got it?
I think so.
What'd you get? What'd you get? Oh, hell yeah. We know where he is. He's on Bonnie. Hell yeah. She's getting a Waldo. Amazing. So they have two options. We can do the $60 one. They can range up higher if you want more coloring or anything like that. And then they have the $100, the 100-sided die that you can roll.
100-sided die.
And those are $100.
Alright.
But I think I'm going going with this. Do you want
You
to?
can kind of
I'm afraid.
figure out where you want
I
it.
have fear.
That's the whole point. Let's do it.
What are you doing? Are you gonna do this one? Cause that was
Maybe.
fun!
Maybe.
You guys can
Use your
if you don't like what
coins.
you can get, you can get the same thing as they get. If you like what they have, you can get that. Or
Oh my god, that could be our matching tattoo if I don't like mine. Both of us would have Waldo. Okay, let's do it. Here.
Alright.
So excited. Oh my goodness. Okay. You sound so stupid that I want it anyway. It's a rocket ship! Okay, well, I might have to get the rocket ship. I don't know. I think you and I having matching Waldos might be a thing.
Oh man.
That's so cute.
What are you gonna do?
That's cute.
Oh, that is cute.
Are you spinning,
Wanna draw one?
Brian?
You don't have to get the one you draw if you like that. You can get the one, you can try the next one.
I don't know.
But then we have a third
I'm thinking about it
option.
now.
These are cute. I love these. Do you want to draw one more?
Okay.
So,
Alright, here we go. Whoa, that one's serious. It threw itself at you.
apparently it needs to go on your foot.
Yeah, I'm thinking so.
Oh, I see an eye. I see an eye.
An eyeball?
Yeah. I'm thinking it might maybe.
Is it a bloody eyeball?
No, it's like a unicorn or something.
Can't get it open.
A unicorn. I'm a unicorn.
What's a girl?
little lady head.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh, a little flapper girl type thing.
I like
All right.
I like it.
You want to roll with that one?
I think I'm getting
Okay, let's just roll with what we got. Did you
Okay.
click the button or anything?
No, I
Okay,
didn't hit
so 1
nothing
second.
else.
Pull yours up too.
Wee.
Yay!
Ah, I see. Oh, this is me and this is Bunny and it's the Brian's. That's awesome. Where are you
I
going to
love it. I love it.
I don't know. Okay,
Focus on my arm.
here we go. The reveal. Yeah, baby.
Oh, I don't know if I can get this undone. It's attached.
It's part of you. You're bionic. You have plastic parts.
It's my brace.
Oh, look at that.
Isn't that cute? It came out so cute.
Rocket.
I love Zizzy. You always go vertical and you gotta stay horizontal for the videos. Is that your video style? And you're helping me?
Wait, you gotta.
No, you're making everyone throw up when they're watching it. It came out so cute.
I don't know
I
how
wanna
close
see
I can get
yours.
and still.
Oh, it focuses pretty consistently. It's a good beast. And you can always refocus it, yeah.
Don't touch it.
Oh, you were trying to get it closer,
You're
yeah?
touching it. You're touching it.
Don't! I have pores in my face, you know? That came out so cute. I love it. The unveiling. I can't do it, you have to do it.
No, I have to do it. I'm just trying to prepare. See if there's enough light for
I
the
already told you there was, you goof.
unveiling.
Want me to start like this? Doing like you do? So there's the original one, and that's amazing. I love it.
Well, that was then. This is now.
That was then.
Oh
It's
shit!
also now.
Oh shit!
The tears.
Look at the hair that's stuck under that tape. That's all gonna rip
Oh,
out.
wait, you want some help?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. He's awesome. That's super fun. That is really good shading. I love that. That is really cute.
Yeah, he kind of went overboard on that.
And put a little like a brown or something there, the shading under her eyes. That looks great.
Well, it's all black and gray, so some of that
So-
is just going to be light gray once the pink goes down.
Yeah. To explain why we're so impressed, is this was really literally a line drawing. And so was this. That's amazing. I can't wait to see Bun Buns. It was so cute.
Ow.
Oh. Oh.
Ow.
Oh. Kelly Clarkson.
Ow! Kelly Clarkson!
My rocket didn't like the lotion I used. It's all red.